father.
Will you give me permission to take my kids
We
everywhere?
divorced now. Didn't know about it.
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
Yes. Listen. You see how long it takes to get moving? Huh?
Good morning. What's your request? What? One year na walang workout yan. Kaya ngayon na nakapag-gym, balik ulit siya sa back to zero ulit.
Hey, fasten your seatbelt.
Where's your seatbelt pala? Put your seatbelt on. Yeah, put your seatbelt on. Put it on. Can you hold this?
You say bite to the doors. Huh?
Let's say right to the doors. Bunny seatbelt too. Bunny has to morning walk. Ayan. Morning guys. Morning walk with the fam-bam. You should have gotten a bike down there. Something new. Riding on a bicycle. I don't know where you can put him. In the IKEA bag. And you put him on your shoulder like this. While you're riding a bike.
Looking up here, you need a monster on a gear bike.
Guys, meron kasi dito, meron kami mga nakikita dito guys, electric scooter at saka bikes na po pwede mong i-rent through a mobile app. So sabi ko kay daddy, gusto ko siya i-try. Mag-bike kami dito sa VGC. Kasi we love walking. Lagi kami nag-walk. Parang feeling ko hindi kumpleto yung araw kapag hindi kami nag-walk sa umaga. So, naglalakad kami every morning. Sabi ko, para maiba naman, mag-ano tayo, mag-bike. Ganon. Kaya lang iniisip ni daddy, sabi niya, paano yung mga kids? So, si Lily, pwedeng, mag-scooter. Si AA, hindi pa marunong. Or si Lily, pwede rin mag-bike. Si AA, hindi pa marunong. So, sabi ni daddy, paano si AA? Sabi ko, ilagay namin sa IKEA bag. Joke lang yun, syempre. Lagyan namin siya sa bag ng IKEA. Nakaupo siyang gano'n, tapos may juice lang. Lily! Ang layo na ng bata, oh. Pero usually naman to, hindi naman to tumatawid ng, wala pa kami.
I knew I heard something.
Dito kami sa may, anong park ba to? McKinley Park. McKinley banda. Ayan. Sabi ni daddy ka na, lumiit na daw yung chan ko. Sabi ni daddy ka na, lumiit na daw yung chan ko.
is?
Ha?
It is?
It is. Naiintindihan.
It doesn't take long. It just takes
Consistency.
consistency and the right eating.
Yeah.
Fucking all of it.
Stop na akong uminom ng mga matatamis na kape. Pero parang feeling ko mamaya iinom kami ng coffee kasi inaimbitahan ako ng aking friend
I got the wrong
na mag-coffee. Missy said, she wants to go and see me today. She'll take me for a coffee. Sure?
Yeah.
So,
She misses you to death.
I know she doesn't. She to drive all the way to BGC to see me. Yeah, na-miss ako ng beshi ko. Dapat kagabi kasi
Yeah, he's
magkikita-kita kami, kaya lang nga wala kang
He's
babysitter.
okay without you.
Ha?
He's okay without
He's okay without me. Good boy daw yun sa AA pag wala ako eh. So, let him walk. Why is he not walking? That's why we're all tired and he's not. You let him walk.
Wanna walk?
I wanna walk. Sit down on the trolley. Walk. No walking. Grabe naman. Wait, ha? Wait.
There's also Starbucks.
How did you know this?
Me, Daddy, and AA went here when Mommy stayed at home.
Oh, really? Okay. Okay.
You ever show Mario and Lechon and everything?
Where?
No?
In there?
Yeah.
Ah, food court. Mm. That's good, isn't it?
Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre, ruby.
Wow, good job. Good morning. Good morning, guys. So, ang gabing ganap natin. Wait, naglalaba ako. Naglalaba ako ngayon. Yan ang ating mga labahan. Para kami nagbabahay-bahayan. Tuwan-tuwa ka talaga ako. Saya-saya ko talaga dito. Anyway, nakabalik na kami. Sobrang iksi ng walk namin today. Pero, okay lang natin sa kagalaw-galaw. Sabi ko, magsasalang lang ako ng ulam. Ng... Huh? You ask your daddy. Daddy, does still have tomato? No more. Do you want to check, Aiden? Ayun, guys. So, ano ba yung sinasabi ko? No, sinisilip niya yung kamatis. Sa ano ko. Gusto niya kasi pinapapak yung kamatis. Naubos na niya 2 pack ng kamatis na binili ng daddy niya. Anyway, palipat-lipat. Wait lang. Oops. Okay. Ayan, guys. So, sabi ko, magsasalang lang ako ng pangsigang. And then, tayo ay bababa na sa gym. So, doon na lang ako babawi na lakad-lakad. So, magka-treadmill tayo or mag-elliptical. And then, weights. Hopefully. Nabakuha ko siya before dumating yung acting beshi. Magkikita kami ni Misty today. So, ayun. Anyway, luto tayo ng sinigang. Plano ko sanang ilang namin ng mga bata is wrap, chicken wrap. Kaya lang, na-realize ko na What? What's wrong with you and the kids? I'm vlogging.
I'm gonna take them to McDonald's
What
later.
say now? Huh?
What time are you going out?
I don't know yet. What they did?
I was gonna take them to McDonald's later.
Okay. Then,
Alright with you?
I don't know, you're their father.
Will you give me permission to take my kids to the McDonald's play
We're
area?
divorced now.
What?
I didn't know about it. Ayan. ba yung sinasabi ko. So, I'm hoping na makapag-gym ako bago kami magkita. That way, makakilos-kilos ako. Medyo active tayo. Kasi yan din talaga, you know, one of the reason kaya gustong-gusto namin
Mommy?
sa city mag-asawa. Kasi we're more active. Nakakapag-gym kami. Iba yung lakad, iba yung pag-gym. Diba? Although meron din naman sa, sa Cavite. Kaya lang, babayad ka pa ng membership dito, libre lang sa baba. Tsaka hindi mo talaga kailangan umalis kasi andyan na. Dapat ang plano kong lutuin, ang plano ko sanang i-prepare for dinner is maggagawa ko ng chicken wrap para sa lahat. Kaya lang na-realize ko, since we bought yung packs na parang ready to cook na vegetables, kailangan magamit namin sila. That way, hindi masayang. So, lutuin muna natin yung mga sinabawan ngayon. Sinigang bukas, nilaga. And after that, pwede na yung mga iba na, na walang gulay. Like, well, may gulay din naman yung natin. Siomay. Nagre-request kasi asawa ko ng siomay. So, magsha-siomay tayo later on. Anyway. Sali ka. No. Ayan, dito kami sa Coffee Bean sa anong lugar ito, hindi ko alam. Hindi na siya high street eh. Somewhere. Ayan. Kailangan bago ko itatapat sa kanya, pa unti-unti para makakapag-ready.
Mag-ready muna ako.
Ayan, magko-coffee lang kami. Sinadya niya talaga ako guys dito. Galing sa Cavite, o diba? Saan ka pa?
Siyempre,
Beshi! You want pandesal?
Yeah.
Pandesal is for the morning, anak. It's afternoon na. Good afternoon.
What's it Nathan?
Tonight, yes. Can you ride a scooter?
Yeah.
You can do that.
The wearing Nemo.
You're wearing Nemo. Where's Nemo?
And Turtle.
And Turtle.
And Cowfish and Dory.
And Dory. That's Dory.
It's Dory.
Yeah, this one is.
And Cowfish.
That's Nemo.
Nemo.
This one is.
Nemo.
Yeah. How about this one?
Turtle.
It's a turtle. Yeah. So smart.
Mommy.
Love you.
Let it do.
Hello! Lakad kami ulit. Sa High Street naman kami lalakad ngayon. Hapon na. It's 4 o'clock mo. Ay, hello. 4 o'clock. I know. I'll just stand up. The AC is so cold, isn't it? It's nice. Wow! 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 Yabang naman ang ate namin. Galing naman yan. Wow! Hey guys, pabalik na kami. So, naglakad na kami sa High Street and then humanap kami ng water bottles for kids. And we've got some donuts para sa kanila. Dumadin ako for, huh?
It's gonna be a triple tomorrow.
Why did we walk then?
Huh?
Why did we walk? Yeah. So, kasi guys, nabuboard sa bahay. Yung amenities pala sa condo, kaya hindi ko pa siya napapakita kasi hindi pa siya open. So, yung playground nila, nakakabit na pero hindi pa siya tapos. Yung swimming pool nila, ready na rin yun, pero hindi pa nila ino-open kasi may mga inaayos pa sa gilid ng building. And delikado pag may nahulog, di ba? So, naantay namin yun mag-open. Yung playground daw, baka by June or July pa. Pero yung swimming pool, hopefully by this month. So, hindi ko pa siya sa inyo mapapakita or hindi pa namin sila magagamit. Ang ginagawa namin to keep them parang busy, tsaka mapagod, naglalakad-lakad kami. Kaya kahit pagod na to sa kalakad, nag-workout pa, go pa rin siya. Anyway, medyo busy na dito ngayon. Ayan. Busy na. Are you okay? Oh, come on, let's go home na. Would you rather walk or use a scooter?
Scooter. But if I'm bringing my water bottle, I will walk.
Oh, okay. Come on. Ayan na.
I'm not bringing a water bottle. I will scooter.
Okay.
I love the place.
Okay.
So that means tomorrow I will walk
Okay, you can try, yeah.
because I'm gonna use my water bottle.
Okay. Also, huh?
The one out of the tent.
Already? Really? Ayun pala guys, nag-restock kami. Glowing Queen. Ang bilis maubos nun. So, paunahan na lang guys. Hindi ko alam kung may...
Looking at one leg looking at the other.
No, she does. She used the other...
What is it?
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
She used the other leg also.
Yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna use the other one. After
So, kung napapanood nyo to, we've got stocks ng Glowing Queen. At kung gusto nyo yung ating product ng Glowing Queen soap, mag-restock na kayo ngayon. I'll link it down below. And paunahan na lang because limited stocks lang. Ayan guys. Luto si daddy ng steak. Ayan, saya.
say I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why.
Eastern.
Listen.
Okay.
I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, so never how hard I try. Listen. Listen.
Ano ba yan?
Listen. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every lonely road leads back the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line in the sky, me to see it calls me.
Eastern.
To wanna, my Nathan.
Eastern.
Softly sky to see, take her with me. I wonder, here you go. And when they see this, he sees the baby. I wonder, here we go.
Wow! Good job. Start. It's finished na. Good job.
One wanna.
Okay, yes. Tomorrow we watch Moana, okay? Say good night, everyone. Good night, everyone. See you guys tomorrow.
In the morning.
Bye.
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.